welcome back to my channel. It's Maria Nairobi. I am coming to you with another video. Y'all, we are going to be working with the You Look DIY lash clusters. Yes, they sent me an entire package to do my lashes, and they claim to be waterproof and sweatproof, y'all. If y'all are not new to my channel, y'all know that I be sweating even in the winter time. And waterproof, like, so that means that I can wet my face and wash it, and I can cry. Because I love my shower cries, okay? If you know, you know. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And all my new babes, hey girl, hey. And all my old babes, thank you. Alright, y'all. So this is what they sent me. Thank you, You Look. I'm really excited about trying this. Y'all, I have fell in love with lash clusters. I just didn't have a lot of time to get to my lash girl. Shout out to her. She was doing her thing, but it became a little expensive for me. I was trying to cut corners on some of my expenses, and it was just hard getting to her, so I started using lashes and lash clusters. So this actually comes with everything that I actually need. So let's just get into this package. All right, so it says that it comes with the lash seal, lash bond, and then the lash remover. Now, I've never used lash remover. I just pull them suckers off. And it comes with tweezers. Ooh. Oh, not me losing something already. So this is how it looks. Okay. Y'all, I dropped. Oh, here it is. I found it. Sorry. And I haven't had lashes on for like a week. This is the longest I went without lashes in so long. And y'all, this is the Letitia synthetic wig by Sensational, the wet lace line. I'm coming out with a video with this install, so don't even worry about it. Just means that you need to subscribe. But back to the lashes, because I have plans tonight and I need to hurry up. My girlfriend just said she's on her way and I don't have an outfit. My makeup not done. But the good thing is lashes, you can get your lashes done real quick. I'm trying to tell you. Alright, and they come with the tweezers, y'all. The tweezers are so important. I do have another lash video out, but I'll try to be as detailed as possible for you babes. Alright, so these are the tweezers. These are the type of tweezers that you want for clusters. Y'all, I'm being like super clumsy. So tweezers is a must with lash clusters, and you do need a certain type of tweezer. Like, you can do it with tweezers like this, but if you really want it to be seamless and a lot easier, use these tweezers. So thank you for sending me them. And then this is the cluster lash remover. I'm really excited about this because it is times where I want to change like my my lash set, and I just have to kind of wait for them to get a little old and start pulling them off, and I don't have to do that with the lash cluster remover, so I'm excited about that. And then this is basically the bond and then the seal. So nothing new about this if you're used to lash clusters. Come on, focus. This is what it comes like, and my favorite right now is the B&Q, so I'm really curious about theirs. Let's see what you got, You Look. And this is the extension kit, and the sizes range from 10 to 18, and I have the style 5D Enchantress because I want it whipsy and full. Hopefully I'm getting that right. I know I really wanted it really like fluffy and full rather. And they had quite a few options, y'all, too. I'm excited. Alright, so what you want to do is take the bond. Some people are going to... I'm going to be looking down a little bit, y'all. And let me zoom in a little bit. Just so y'all can see me. There we go. I'm going to be looking down just a little bit because I have a camera. I do have a camera, but I'm also looking at my mirror. Just so I can see. So you're going to take the bond, and you can do, I would suggest if you're just starting off, you could do both eyes at the same time. So you'll put some clusters over here, clusters over here. The reason for that, so you know what sizes you're putting on each side. I do like a more tapered look, so I go from the outer corner, I go larger numbers to lower numbers because I want longer on the outside and go shorter in the inside. But for me, since I'm basically a pro at this. Watch I mess up because I'm talking stuff. But I'm going to go eye to eye. And I just remember what sizes I put on each eye. So I'm going to go in. And I have my fan on, y'all, because I told y'all I sweat so bad. So I'm like literally always Always hot. So y'all, this glue is really different from what I'm used to. So I'm used to black glue. This glue is white. So I'm curious. Okay. Interesting. So I'm going to go in with the 18 just because I like full and wispy lashes. And then you just want to go in underneath and leave it. Just like that. And when you're starting off, you do want to go in sections. A lot of the time I do put glue all over my eye, but it's better to go in sections when you're just starting off. And also I want to go in sections because I'm not used to this glue. So this is how it looks so far. Super easy. You're putting it on like mascara, and then you're just laying the clusters underneath your lashes. So let's just do another section. I don't know how much I should be putting on. I feel like at this point I'm ODing. What's new? Alright, so this is my third 18. Just gonna go in again. What I also recommend too, even though I'm not doing it, is holding your eye up like this when you're just starting off. Really, so you can see where you're placing it. Now I'm gonna go in with my fourth 18. And then I'll start tapering. I feel like I could put a little more adhesive or bond glue here. And I'm really just gonna take it all the way over. I hope I'm in shot and y'all can see what I'm doing, because I would be pissed if I get done and it's like. Another trick too, make sure you're not getting no bonding or adhesive, whatever you want to call it, on the tweezers, because it will pull. When you place it, it's going to pull the lash right back off of your eyelid. So you want to make sure that it's no glue on your tweezers. If it does get glue on your tweezers, that's fine. Just take some witch hazel or some alcohol and just rub your tweezers off. Now I'm going to go in with the 16. So I did 4 18s, and now I'm going to go in with the 16. If you don't want a tapered look, you could just keep going with whatever number you started with. The glue is good so far too. I'm liking it. So now I'm going to go in with another 16. So 2 16s, and then I'm probably going to go to a 14. And you'll have to judge like how much space you have. So for you, you may do 5 18s, 2 16s, or 2 14s. For me, not so much. I don't have as much space. So just judge, or you may have less space. So just like judge it for yourself so you know how much to put. Now, let me see if I have enough glue in this corner. Oh, I don't think I'm in shot. Hopefully I am, y'all. Alright. So this is how it looks so far. You can see the difference. Oh. Alright, so I need a little more glue on the corner. That's why it's sitting like that. And of course I dropped my glue. Alright, so I'm just going to go back in this section here. And just put some glue. And I will say this one in the inner corner is going to be the first ones that fall off. At least for me. Every single time, that's the first ones to go. So make sure you really put in some glue there. Alright, so this is how it looks so far. It looks really full. I like this, but then it doesn't look like drawn. Like, y'all, I'm from Philly, so I say drawn. But it don't look bad. So you can use your fingers and just squeeze the lashes into your real lashes, or you could just use the tweezers and do the same thing. like so, but I just don't like doing it because it's sometimes like glue and I don't want anything to be pulled off. So I'd rather me use my fingers. But this is how it look. I think these look absolutely beautiful. Okay, all right, you look. Okay, I see you. I see you. All right, let's do the other eye because I gotta go, y'all. I gotta hurry up. And that's a good thing about lash clusters or lash sets that you do at home. This is so fast. Like I can do all my lashes in 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so since I already showed y'all, like I feel like in detail with my first eye, I'm going to put more glue further out. I'm not going to do as small sections on this eye. Again, if you're starting out, I would say do sections. It's a lot easier for you. All right, so we're going to go in with an 18. See, I got glue. I have glue on my tweezers. I'm happy that happened though, so y'all can see it. You see I pulled it right back off. So you want to make sure that no glue is on your tweezers. And that's another reason why I don't take my tweezers and push the lash cluster into my natural lash. I use my fingers instead. And basically you're just doing the same thing. Keep practicing. That first time, y'all, I had glue in my eyes. It was so ridiculous the first time I did this. But the more you do it, I promise you, it becomes so much easier. And what I can say about You Look so far, when I'm pulling my lashes from here, a lot of companies, they'll break apart. And it's really aggravating because if you're trying to match your other eye and one breaks, you then have to make sure they're together. It just gets really complicated. So kudos to them. Their lashes are staying in one. And again, like once you start doing your lashes, you'll understand like how important that is. And they just feel good. They actually like feel like mink lashes. If you're familiar with mink, you'll know what I'm saying. And if something is not placed right, immediately pull it right back off. All right, so that is 1/16. I'm gonna go on with another 16. And then I'm gonna go on with the 14. And y'all see how fast I did that, y'all, with talking. In the inner corners, you wanna like pull it from the top. Like the other ones, when I was placing them, I'm more like this. But when you're in those inner corners, pull it from the top like this, if that makes sense. All right, so this is how they look. Let's push these into place. These look really good. So this is how it looks so far, y'all. All right, I really like them. If you feel like this one is different from this one, or if you feel that it's not as bushy or full as that you want, you will put the bond on the lash and put it underneath another lash. I'm not really looking to make this any fuller, but just because I want to show you, babes, I'm going to do it right now. So say I'm like, I want mine's a little more full. Like I want a little more razzle dazzle. You're going to take the bond. And then you're going to put it on the lash band. Just like this. Oh, focus. There we go. So you're going to be putting it right here on the front area. Right there. And then you could put a little bit right there, wherever you're placing it. Then you take this here, and then you're going to put it right there, wherever you put the glue. Take your finger, boom. There you go. And some people, they'll do it all the way through because they want fuller lashes. Same thing on the other side. You're going to take the cluster. You're going to take the bond adhesive. You're going to put it on the lash band. just like as if you were doing a strip. You're going to put some of the glue underneath here. Not too much. Don't draw with it. Don't do too much. And then you're going to place it. Boom. Take your finger, squish it all together so the adhesive can meet the other adhesive. And there we go. We have a lash set. But you're not done yet though. We're going to take the seal. So the seal basically is doing what seal does. It's sealing the glue to your eye and your fake lash, your natural lashes. So you're just going to take it right underneath here and you're just going to put it at the base. You're not putting it all the way up here. And the reason is it's going to make your lashes real stringy and they're going to look a mess. I'm telling you from experience. So keep it at the base, but not to your eye because it's going to irritate your eye. So right at the base, but not on your eyeball. Some people do it throughout the week. I really don't. I do think that it's benefit to it if you do it that way. See, this thing messing with me already. All right, there we go. And then after I put the seal on there, I just go back in, fiddle with it a little bit. All right, y'all. So what y'all thinking? Let me take my hair down. Let me give you the full look. Oh, oh. I love it. I love it. Look, y'all. Ooh. Hercules, you old if you know that. I think it looks so good. They feel good too. They don't feel heavy. They feel natural. And the glue was white thick glue. It's actually thicker than the glue that I'm used to. So these may actually stay. All right, you luck. Let's see. I'm going to try to make a comment maybe in a week or two on this video to tell you an update, or I may do a reel, or I may just do another video. Watch my vlogs. I may mention it in my vlog, but I'll figure out a way how to give y'all an update. But definitely check out You Luck. I do have a discount code. Yes, y'all know I'm always coming with some discounts if I can get it. So I will have a discount code in the description box. I'll have a link where you can get your own set, and I'm already giving you a discount so you can get some money off of it. Y'all see how it look good it looks. Y'all see how fast I put them on. I gave y'all the tricks and the tips, so y'all good. So get you a You Luck. Get this, y'all. And they have different options. I feel like it looks so good. But all right, I have to go. Make sure you subscribe. I have so many videos coming y'all way, and I'll see you next time. Bye, babes.